Imagine this. You walk into a beautiful store. You already know some English. You practiced at home. You promised yourself, "Today I will speak confidently." But then the shopkeeper smiles and says, "Hello, how can I help you?" And suddenly, your mind goes blank. No words, no confidence, only silence. If this has ever happened to you, then today's video may be exactly what you need. Because today I won't teach you boring textbook English. I'll take you inside real shopping situations. Clothing stores, supermarkets, mobile shops, malls, and through one story, you'll learn how to speak natural English while shopping. By the end of this video, you'll know what to say, how to say it, and how to feel confident. So stay till the end, because today we turn fear into fluency. Intro. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Elevation, where we learn English for real life, confidence, and success. Today's lesson is hidden inside a story about a young man named Ali. Ali understands English, but whenever he enters a shop, he becomes nervous. Today we follow Ali through one full day of shopping. And while he learns, you learn too. Let's begin. Scene 1, the clothing store. Ali stood outside a modern clothing store. Glass doors, bright lights, stylish jackets inside. He looked at himself in the reflection. "Today," he whispered, "I will speak English." He entered. A staff member smiled warmly. "Staff, hello, sir. How can I help you?" Ali's heart started racing. He wanted to say, "I need a jacket." But instead he said, "Ali, jacket." "Black, me." The staff paused politely. Ali felt embarrassed. Have you ever felt that moment? You know what you want, but words disappear. Let's fix Ali's sentence. Teaching breakdown 1. Instead of saying, "Jacket black me," say, "I'm looking for a black jacket. I'd like to buy a black jacket. I need a black jacket." Simple, clear, natural. Repeat after me. I'm looking for a black jacket. Again. I'm looking for a black jacket. Good. Ali took a breath. Smiled. Tried again. Ali, I'm looking for a black jacket. The staff smiled wider. Staff, of course, sir. What size do you need? Now Ali froze again. Size? He knew the answer. But panic returned. He said, "Ali, normal size." The staff looked confused. Ali felt heat in his face. Teaching breakdown 2. When someone asks size, use small, medium, large, extra large, or I usually wear medium. I think large will fit me. Repeat. I usually wear medium. Ali corrected himself. Ali, I usually wear medium. Staff, perfect. Please wait one moment. The staff brought 3 jackets. Black, blue, gray. Ali touched the black one. It looked perfect. But he needed to try it. He almost said, "Where room where?" Instead, teaching breakdown 3. Say, "Can I try this on?" Where is the fitting room? Can I see myself in a mirror? Repeat. Can I try this on? Ali, can I try this on? Staff, certainly. Fitting room is on your left. Ali entered. Tried jacket. Looked in mirror. For first time, he looked confident. He came out. Staff, how does it fit? Ali wanted to answer naturally. Teaching breakdown 4. Say, it fits well. It's a little tight. It's too loose. It feels comfortable. I like the fit. Repeat. It fits well. Ali, it fits well. Staff, great choice. It's on sale today. Ali's eyes widened. He loved one word. Sally? Then he asked the most common question in the world. Teaching breakdown 5. Instead of price, say, how much is it? How much does it cost? What's the price of this jacket? Repeat. How much is it? Ali, how much is it? Staff. It's $80, but today 20% off. Ali smiled. He wanted discount too. Teaching breakdown 6. Say politely, is that the final price? Can you offer any discount? Can you give me a better price? Never rude, always polite. Ali, can you offer any discount? Staff, since you asked politely. I can make it 70? Ali laughed. Confidence was growing. He bought the jacket, but the day had only begun. Scene 2, the supermarket. Ali entered a supermarket. Now he needed groceries. Rice, milk, eggs, fruit. This time he walked straighter. No fear. Then he needed sugar. Huge aisles everywhere. He asked an employee, Ali, sugar where? The employee smiled kindly. Teaching breakdown 7. Say, where can I find sugar? Which aisle has sugar? Could you tell me where sugar is? Repeat. Where can I find sugar? Ali, where can I find sugar? Employee, aisle 5. Ali nodded proudly. Then he reached fruit section. Fresh apples. Bright oranges. He wanted 1 kilo. Teaching breakdown 8. Useful quantity phrases. 1 kilo, please. Half a kilo, please. 2 kilos, please. 1 dozen eggs, please. 1 bottle of milk. Repeat. 1 kilo of apples, please. Ali, 1 kilo of apples, please. Worker, sure. Then Ali looked at avocados. Expensive. He laughed softly. Some vocabulary needs no translation. At checkout, cashier, cash or card? Ali answered instantly. Ali, card, please. Cashier, would you like a bag? Ali, yes, please. And may I have the receipt? The cashier handed it over. Ali felt something new. Power. Scene 3, the mobile shop. Ali's old earphones were broken. He entered a mobile accessories store. This place felt technical. Dangerous. Many people fear English here because of product words. But today was different. Seller. Hello, sir. What are you looking for? Ali smiled. Ali, I'm looking for wireless earbuds. Seller nodded. Seller. What is your budget? Ali paused. Budget. Good word. Teaching breakdown 9. Budget means how much money you want to spend. Say, my budget is around $50. I'm looking for something under $100. I need an affordable option. Repeat. My budget is around $50. Ali, my budget is around $50. Seller showed 2 options. Seller, this one has strong battery life. Seller, this one has better sound quality. Ali asked, Teaching breakdown 10. Useful electronics questions. Is there a warranty? How long does the battery last? Is this original? Do you have a cheaper option? Which one do you recommend? Repeat. Is there a warranty? Ali, is there a warranty? Seller, 1-year warranty. Ali, great. Which one do you recommend? Seller, this model is more popular. Ali bought it. Another win. Scene 4, Coffee shop bonus. Ali entered a coffee shop to celebrate. A barista smiled. Barista, what can I get for you? Ali remembered old days. He used to panic. Today, Ali, I'd like a medium latte, no sugar, please. Smooth. Natural. Confident. Then he sat down thinking, what changed? Not grammar. Not perfection. Practice. Simple, useful sentences. And courage. Listen carefully. You do not need advanced English to survive in shops. You need clear phrases, calm tone, confidence, repetition. That's all. Many people wait to become perfect before speaking. That day never comes. Speak first. Improve later. Scene 5. Funny mistakes everyone makes. Ali remembered his old mistakes. Once he said, "Give me cheap shoes." Better, "Could you show me some affordable shoes?" Once he said, "This costly too much." Better, "This is a bit expensive." Once he said, "Change this." Better, "I'd like to exchange this item." Mistakes are normal. They are steps, not failures. Teaching Breakdown 11 power phrases. Use these in any shop. I'm just looking, thank you. Could you help me, please? Do you have this in another color? I'll take it. I'll think about it. That's perfect. Thank you for your help. Repeat daily. Scene 6. The confidence test. 1 week later, Ali returned to the clothing store. Same staff member. Same smile. Staff, welcome back, sir. Ali, thank you. I'm looking for formal shoes today. No fear. No shaking voice. The staff brought shoes. Ali, do you have these in size 42? Staff, yes. Ali, can I try them on? Later. Ali said they feel comfortable, but do you have them in brown? Staff smiled. This was not the same Ali. Language changed him. Teaching Breakdown. 12. Why this method works. Why did Ali improve fast? Because he learned situational English. Not random vocabulary lists, not endless grammar rules. He learned phrases connected to real life. That is how adults learn faster. Use English inside situations. Shopping, travel, restaurant, phone calls, interviews, real context, number faster memory. Scene 7, Viewer Challenge. Now imagine you enter a shop tomorrow. Someone asks, "How can I help you?" What will you say? Not silence. You will say, "I'm looking for a black shirt." Or, "I'm just looking, thank you." Imagine asking, "How much is this? Do you have medium size? Can I pay by card?" See? You already know more than before this video started. 20 must-know shopping sentences. I'm looking for this item. I'm just looking, thank you. How much is this? Do you have medium size? Do you have another color? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? It fits well. It's too tight. It's too loose. Is this on sale? Can you offer a discount? I'll take it. I'll think about it. Can I pay by card? May I have the receipt? I'd like to exchange this. Where can I find sugar? My budget is around $50. Thank you for your help. Maybe nobody taught you practical English before. Maybe you studied for years, but froze in public. Maybe you thought, English is not for me. That is false. English is not for special people. English belongs to anyone who practices. One useful sentence a day can change your life. One small conversation can build confidence. One brave moment in a shop can start your fluency journey. Comment below I will speak English confidently while shopping. And tell me, what place makes you nervous speaking English? Shop. Restaurant. Airport.
Interview.
Like this video. Subscribe to English Elevation. Because next lesson, we may help you speak English in restaurants, airports, offices, and real life. Until then, keep rising, keep speaking, keep growing.